What's up, crew? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. I hope you are ready because we have a very awesome video in store for you. This is the start of a brand new series. We are talking about the most underrated hair products. Let's get started. Alright guys, so like I said, today we are talking about the most underrated hair products. This is going to be the start of a brand new series, and before we jump into it, I want to give a huge shout out to today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. As you guys know, Rose Gold and Black is a continual sponsor of the channel. They support me, they support you, therefore they support us. They support the content on this channel. So if you guys are looking for some amazing jewelry, there will be a link for you in the description to click on. It'll take you to the Rose Gold and Black website where everything is already discounted for you. You don't have to enter any type of discount code. This is some of the best jewelry that I own in my collection, and I wear it every single day. I'm not even exaggerating here. It's some of the best jewelry, and it literally goes with everything. So if you're looking for a way to enhance your style, head over to rosegoldandblack.com. It's in the description. Click on it. Go show them some love and support. So today we are going to be talking about a hair product that I've been using for a very, very long time, and I absolutely love it. I don't think many people know about it because it's not like one of the trending hair product brands, but it's definitely a hair product that I think you should check out because it's very versatile and it's pretty affordable as well. And that product is the Shaper by Esquire. The first thing I need to do is wash my hair, lose the hat first, and get this hair ready for the styling tutorial. All right, so my hair is washed and ready to go. Let me get this off. I didn't shampoo and condition it. I just rinsed it because I shampooed it last night. There's really no need to do it again. I just went to sleep after I had a shower. So hair's wet, it's ready to have the hair product applied. Now for the Esquire Shaper, I like to use this product as a pre-styler. The main reason that I like to use this hair product as a pre-styler is because it diffuses when you put a hair dryer through it. Meaning that it gets soft, it doesn't have that sticky hold, that strong hold that most people actually kind of like. So I like to use it as a pre-styler because it's going to give me volume, but it's not going to be so heavy, and my hair is not going to feel like there's a ton of buildup in it when I put a more heavy, dense product in it. And another reason that I love to use this product as a pre-styler is because it is fibrous. And what I mean by that is when you emulsify in your hands, you actually rub your hands together and then clap a few times, and fibers will literally fly out into the air. It's the weirdest thing ever. Don't quite understand it, but what I do know is that when those fibers get in your hair, since they're so small, since they're these tiny little strands of hair product, they're going to stick to the hair follicles better. They're going to stick to more of the hair follicles than a big clump of hair product would. So what that'll do is it'll actually allow you to restyle your hair throughout the day, reshape it, bring your volume back to where you want it to be. Whereas a big clump of hair product here and here and here and here and here is not going to allow you to do that. Another thing is that this product smells amazing. It smells like a nice cologne. So I'm going to emulsify this. I'm going to get about that much, about a dime size, just like normal. And I'm going to break it up in my hands. As you guys can see, I'll show you what I mean by the fibers. See how it kind of breaks up like that in my hands? It's not really cohesive. It breaks up in strands and pieces. And watch this. Did you see that? Look, it's all in the air. You probably can't see it. It's probably not picking it up on camera. It's so strange. It's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. So let's go ahead and get this in my hair. Again, just like always, starting at the back of your head and moving to the front. Make sure to coat your head evenly. But with this product, you actually don't have to be that careful because it's so fibrous, it's gonna hit the strands a little bit better than a thicker, more dense product would. It's gonna emulsify a little bit easier. You're gonna break down a little bit easier in your hair. All right, so as you can see, I already have a decent amount of volume in my hair. Since I haven't put a hair dryer through this, this does feel very sticky. It feels very thick, but I'm telling you, as soon as you put a hair dryer through this product, it will soften up, it will diffuse like nothing. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, for this hairstyle, I'm actually gonna be styling my hair in like a disconnected quiff, messy quiff type of hairstyle. You get the point. So as you can see, just got a ton of volume from that product. Now it's pretty much done. I've got the volume that I wanted, but it feels, it's kind of soft. It's not really holding together too well. It's just kind of like a natural volume, if that makes sense. I'm gonna go back in with just a little bit of Hansi Fuku claymation to give this hairstyle a little bit more hold, a little bit more texture, and a little bit more natural feel. Not natural, already feels natural. Less natural feel. And again, since I already have all this volume, this is literally just for styling purposes, for texturizing purposes. I'm gonna get just a little bit. Literally just like that much, not much at all. Alright, and these are pretty much the final results. As you can see, got tons of volume, effortless volume with the Esquire Shaper, using it as a pre-styler. And I went in with just a little bit of Hansi Fuku claymation to give my hair some texture and a little bit of extra hold. Now ideally you could just go back in with more Esquire Shaper. I just chose to use Hansi Fuku claymation because that's my preference as a post-styling product. But you could definitely use the Shaper for post-styling and give your hair the same kind of effect. But it's all based on your preference and what you prefer. Try out both. Try out this product. I highly recommend it. I will link it for you guys in the description if you wanted to head over to Esquire and check it out. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for today's video. If you like this content, hit that subscribe button down below. Join the crew family. We are growing every single day. It's the holiday season. I have a lot of awesome videos in store for the holiday season, so subscribe and stay tuned for all of that. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Drop your comments in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys next Friday. I'm out.